Fred? Fred? What's today?
I'm not today.
And how old are you?
I'm not 4.
Stand up, I want to see how big you are. Oh my goodness, you are getting taller, aren't you?
Yeah, how big
You look so nice. And you got a pretty dress.
You're
Yeah.
standing on your tippy toes, hon.
Yeah. Haha.
She figured that out.
So you're having what kind of a party?
Oh,
What's the theme of your party? Transformers.
Yeah.
Transformers more than meets the eye.
More than meets the eye, eh?
Hey,
David,
hey.
let's bring you back, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Try to put her right in the
I'm gonna do cute waving.
Says happy birthday, Fred.
Awesome.
I'm gonna do cute waving. And Mommy's gonna find a blade.
Oh, good.
I'm Boulder, too.
Oh, Boulder. Pinata. Look at her cake.
Yeah. So talented.
Oh, bumblebee wheels. Good one. Decepticons. Aragon punch. Okay, well there's something I can do. Oh, there's something else over here. Punch.
If you want to.
It's my birthday today.
Yum.
Yeah, okay.